In today's video, I am going to show you how to do full yogic breathing. Full yogic breathing has no side effect. You can practice any time of the day, anywhere. Before we learn this yogic breathing, I want to share the major benefits of this yogic breathing. So it is highly beneficial for your respiratory health. It keeps your lung healthy. So people who are suffering from lung related problem like asthma, bronchitis, breathing related problem, they are going to get benefited. People who are anxious, suffering from high blood pressure or anger issue, please practice yogic breathing because it is going to keep you calm and relaxed. So watch the video till end so that you learn this technique correctly. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Namaste everyone, my name is Shahida. Let's begin. So for the practice of yogic breathing, I want you to learn abdominal breathing first. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Keep your right palm on your belly like this, and then as you inhale through your nose, your belly goes out, your diaphragm will expand like this, and as you exhale, slowly your navel region goes in towards the spine. Exhale, eyes closed, inhale, belly goes out, full inhalation. Exhale, slowly, belly goes in. Exhale completely. Inhale, belly goes out. Exhale, belly goes in. Complete exhalation. 2 more times. Inhale, belly goes out. Exhale, belly goes in. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Like this. So with the help of abdominal breathing, you are able to fill your lungs till the lower lobe here. Your diaphragm moves down and your lungs are getting good space to expand very well. After the abdominal breathing, let's do thoracic breathing. For this, keep the right palm on your chest. Let me show you how to do the thoracic breathing. Inhale through your nose. Expand your rib cages. Feel your middle lobe of the lung. And then exhale slowly. Empty your lung completely. Inhale. And exhale. Eyes closed, awareness to your chest. Inhale. And exhale. Two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one more. Inhale. And exhale. Hand down. Feel the effect of thoracic breathing. So after the abdominal breathing and thoracic breathing, let me show you how to do clavicular breathing or shoulder breathing. You can keep the right palm on your left shoulder like this. Inhale through your nose and fill the air till the upper lobe of your lungs, here till the neck. Inhale, shoulder goes up. Exhale, shoulder goes down. Inhale, shoulder goes up. Exhale, shoulder goes down. Inhale, fill your lungs completely till your neck. Exhale, like this. Inhale and exhale. hands down. So, how beautiful this practice is, right? You did this abdominal breathing for the lower lobe of the lung. You did this thoracic breathing for the middle lobe of the lung. You did clavicular breathing for the upper lobe of the lung. So what happens throughout the day? We do shallow breathing. With the help of this kind of breathing, you do deep breathing, which helps to energize your body. Now after learning these three breathings, let's incorporate these three breathings together, and now we are going to practice full yogic breathing. For this, I will keep my right palm to the belly, left palm to the chest like this. Now I am going to inhale full, belly will go out, rib cages will expand, chest will go out, and shoulder will slightly goes up like this. And then with the exhalation, shoulder down, chest in, belly in. So how you do? Inhale through your nose, belly out, chest out, shoulder slightly goes up, exhale, shoulders down, chest in, belly in. Inhale, exhale, inhale, belly out, chest out, shoulder up, full expansion. Exhale, shoulders down, chest in, belly in, like this. Inhale, exhale, like this. See how simple is this practice? After few weeks of practice, I suggest to hold your breath also. So as you inhale through your nose, belly out, chest out, shoulder up, and hold your breath in. And exhale slowly, shoulders down, chest in, belly goes in. Inhale through your nose, hold your breath in, exhale, like this. So inhale for 5, retain for 5, exhale for 5. After few weeks of practice, inhale for 5, retain for 10, exhale for 10. So let me show you full. Inhale through your nose, belly out, chest out, shoulder up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly, shoulders down, chest in, belly in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Completely empty, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold in. Exhale. Retain out. Like this. So it is completely up to you how long you want to hold your breath in, how long you want to exhale, and how long you want to retain your breath out. I suggest first practice without holding the breath for few weeks. After few weeks of practice, hold your breath in, and then when you become confident, you have a control over your breathing, then only hold your breath out. Don't practice in hurry or very in tension or under any pressure. Practice with complete relaxation and without putting any pressure in your body, in your breathing. How much to practice? Minimum 5 minutes you should definitely practice yogic breathing for the benefits. And also, if you don't have time, you can practice for 2 to 3 minutes any time of the day, anywhere. If you want to practice yoga under my guidance, you all are welcome to join my online yoga classes. These online yoga classes are conducted on Zoom from Monday to Friday morning 7 a.m. IST. You'll get to learn asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation and yogic cleansing practices. Who can join these classes? If you are a beginner, if you are already practicing yoga, or if you are suffering from any health condition, you can join these classes. For more detail, you can visit my website which I have mentioned here, www.yogawithshahida.com, or you can also WhatsApp on this number to get all the details immediately. I hope you liked this information. If you do, please subscribe this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family. If you have any feedback, any suggestion, please comment below. Keep practicing yoga to stay healthy, to stay fit. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you all in next coming videos. Namaste.